All right, so today I'm gonna introduce a new and very efficient attendance system for small organization and medium level organization that is named as attendees.com, powered by Convert Generation Information Technology. And it will give you a ace it will give you an ace in your system to mark attendance of your employees, staff, or visiting faculty, and so on. So this is the detailed description written. And what one most of the favorite feature in this system is anti-cheating feature, and the geolocation, and also device unique identification is very much useful for the people who want to cheat or who want have intention to cheat the organization. So geolocation mean whenever a employee is or trying to mark attendance by sitting at home, so our system will check it as a physical appearance of the employee or staff. He have to visit to the office, and then he have to mark the attendance at the current place whatever you will set up. And the another thing is the like unique identification. It's been that we also offering the mobile application, and from the mobile application definitely we should have a very good login system, where once you download the application, start use its login detail. And once it's login, once it login, so definitely another email address is not mapped to that device. And this is the features, and these are the use cases of that, and why we choose the system. This is a testimonial of a client, and the pricing, and the contact us page here. So let's just get started with the trial account. You can just create a trial account. If you don't want to create, just go for the login. I have already logged in, so let me just introduce the logins. We have three type of, or maybe four type of people where that will use our system. The majorly three type of people are super admin and the sub admin. We can just say them manager, and the employees. Yes, so employees are the basic niche of our system who gonna mark the attendance. So I'm just logging as a super admin, and once I logged in, so definitely it will give me a large dashboard screen. So here I will add multiple business. So the first and good feature is that it is not only specific for one organization. You can add your multiple organization. For example, I'm just right now adding a business name, an email, and phone number, and the location. So this is very important to add this geolocation. Otherwise you cannot use the geolocation feature anymore. Like you need to just click on this button, so it will get your latitude and longitude of current position or current location where you are standing or where you are right now. So it will get from the network, and then it will map to the latitude and longitude. And here you will set up this distance, like 1000 or 100 or whatever. So you like, if I just go to the edit profile of this business, so here is the latitude and longitude. I have only allowed 100 meter of the organization's parameter or premises, where the employee can only mark the attendance. So now the next thing is the QR. So if I have two businesses, so definitely each business QR is different. We can assign different people to different organization or different places, because for example 4R is duty for one employee at position A, and 4R duty for employees position B. So definitely we have to do a double or triple shifting of system for our employees. Okay, so the next thing is our the users area, but this is only for the super admin, so I am not covering this one. So let's just go to the staff area. Once you just go to the staff area, so there is a add staff button. So once you click on that, so we have to add a staff. I have already added a staff, and here you need to just give the detail of the basic detail, like first name, last name, designation, and the email and the password. Phone number optional, date of birth optional, team optional, joining date optional. And this is very good feature in our mobile applications. Like for example, if you just set up the start shift and the end shift time, so whenever the shift is started after the end shift, so our app will give the notification to that specific person of that specific time to check out, or give an alert as a reminder that he either he checked out or not. So we have a salary module, and you have to put this fixed salary. If you want to put the per hour salary, you can just add the rate of that. And if you want to allow this person on multiple devices as a mobile application, so definitely you can just allow them. Otherwise, rest of them, so you can just invite them through the email address for the login purpose. And there is other stuff where you can just go for the tracking purpose. You can just you want to start tracking of that, like for example there is some visiting or walking employees, they just move from one place to another place, so our admin can map that, and our admin can just have a look on that, where he's going or not going. So let's just show the profile. This is my profile here, so I'm just gonna show my profile. And when I click on that, so I have managed by 2 or 3 organizations. So you can just also add the role of this person. I have added as an employee here. And if you just go and click on this shift area, so you can just assign multiple businesses. For right now it's showing one business because our second business is deactivated. If I just start activate that and then go for our staff area here, sorry, and the staff area here, and search for Moise, and then after I just click on the business shift, so definitely it will come it here. But I just muted that. So the next stuff is the manual attendance. If our manager want to add the attendance, and then leave management system, I will cover this later. And the printing card system, if you want to print the card, just select the business, all the employee registered to that business will come in here. And if you just click on that, so all the employees of that business will come here like this way. And I'm just choosing the second business, the first business, and choosing Muhammad Iqbal, and click on it, and it's me here. And this is my card for CEO, and founder is my designation. And then after the next step is the tracking. I will not cover right now. If you want to just see the demo of this, just click on that and go for the users, or whatever the user register here. You can just show and hide users on the marker, as a marker here in our this is a demo, because we are using the demo of Google API, so that's why this is little bit black and something like that. So this is a person, and if I just want to show like this way, just click on this person, the specific person state will be selected. And right now today he have don't any data, so definitely it will not show the map here. So I have to choose like I'm just choosing January 17 and show. Click on the show button, so it will get the all detail of that person, where from he started and where he just reached, like this way. If you just see that the routing on the map, if it is a walking customer, walking employee, that like a delivery boy, we can say that, or we can say that a salesperson that just collect the installment of different electronic businesses or something like that. All right, so just covering all this stuff. I just left this one. If you just click on that, let me just cover right now. So just click on this person and select the month of the person. Like for example, for March 2020, I have chosen the March 2020. And if you just see the all March date of that, so I can manually put the start time, the break start time, the end time, and the checkout time. So start time and the end time will be considered the working hours, and the break time will be considered that it's refreshment hour. So definitely it will calculate all the time minus this time, and then give us this result as a if it doesn't check out, so definitely its time will not calculated, and total break time is here. And after that it will calculate overall months hours. Let's jump on the report area. So the report area is very good. You can just have a look on weekly reports. Just click on this weekly reports, and you will get the all detail of the week. You can export into the Excel file if you want. You can take a screenshot of that, and you can also print the report of this person. Let's go to the monthly sheet, and we have in the monthly sheet two type of reporting. First, the full month report. If I just select this person and get the all report of the person, and also it will calculate the salary of that person at the runtime, because he didn't mark the future date. So definitely it will consider 7. The 7 will multiply by per day of salary, and it will be deducted from the calculated overall salary and the other net salary. You can just export that into the Excel file for the record purpose, or any kind of analysis if you want to do some kind of formulas or something else. So this is here. We have a very good Excel file available now. Okay, so moving on to the next, you can just do a date wise filter. Like for example, I only want to see its 3 or 4 days attendance. So you can just select on that, so only have this 4 days attendance. If you want to see whatever, so the day, like for example you want to see the January 4 to March 4, so it will give you, you know, all of the attendance from January to March, like this way. Okay, so the next thing, is here the full attendance view. This is very much good for organization. Like you need to just select the business and then select the month. Every person registered in this business and active account will become like this way, and this is a master report for our executive member or CEO or chairman that will sitting at the, you know, place, and then after they can just inspect all of that. And the next thing is our site map. It's not considerable because for only superadmin SMS and certification are not available. You can just go for the account setting, update a profile and change password, and then log out. So this is the demo for the web, and you will also get notification like how many time you log in, how many time your marked shift is marked. So it's a very good, you know, as an activity log, we can just trace that. So in the next video I will cover the mobile application where how to mark the attendance through the mobile, and it will get here as a record purpose.